I made some ginger cookies today that actually taste good. For these cookies, we're going to use 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And if I don't tell you how much of something, all the amounts will be in the description of the video, the recipe and the amounts. So I'm going to take 2 1/4 cups of flour. This is a ground ginger, 2 3/4 teaspoons, some salt, just regular old table salt, and some baking soda. You want the soda, not the baking powder, and just get this all mixed up. Next, I'm going to take butter, 6 ounces of butter, 1 1/2 sticks, and a cup of sugar, and mix. Well, next we're going to add crystallized ginger. Crystallized ginger, it comes in chunks, it has sugar all over it, and you want to chop it up. Well, I chopped it up in the food processor, and it makes it into a paste like that. And I want 3 tablespoons of this paste. So there's about 1. And 3 tablespoons of that. And we need 1/4 cup of molasses. Now the molasses needs to be room temperature, the eggs need to be room temperature, the egg and the butter. We're going to add the 1/4 cup of molasses in. And the egg, and then mix again. Next, we're going to add the flour. I do this on the low speed, the slowest speed. Just add all your flour and get this all mixed up. Now I'm going to use a cookie scoop. I did measure this cookie scoop to see how much it holds. So I took a tablespoon, filled it with water, and then dumped it into here. And it took 1 1/2 tablespoons to fill this up. So this is a 1 1/2 tablespoon cookie scoop. I want to get it all the way full, and then drop the cookies over here in a bowl of sugar. Just like that. I generally do 4 cookies at a time. Put them in the sugar, roll them around. I have my cookies, 1 tray of cookies made, and you want about 2 inches apart between them. The recipe says to bake these 12 to 14 minutes. I find them better at 11 minutes. The last time I made them, I baked some at 11 and some at 12 minutes in my oven, and I liked the 11 minutes better. So into my 350 degree oven for 11 minutes. Well, here they are out of the oven. Now I guess these are just slightly bigger than the last time I made them, because I had to bake for 13 minutes this time. So now you gotta let these cool off 5 minutes, just like this, and then you can take them off the cookie sheet. And I used parchment paper so that cleanup's really easy, virtually no cleanup. But if you don't use parchment, you could use Silpat, or you could grease your cookie sheet lightly.